Samsung will launch a new Galaxy Z that has got a moniker Flip3 at the end. Samsung will introduce the Galaxy S21 flagship series. The series has 3 defiant models. This smartphone series will be the best phone until Samsung's new Flip smartphone arrived. The company is working on a new foldable smartphone which will be called the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. The smartphone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset. The chipset of the smartphone is also a flagship chipset that can all the high-end specs with accuracy and ease. The new Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 3 has a 3.09 GHz Octa-Core processor to give more power to this chipset. The device has a 6.7 inches massive screen size. The users of this device will be enjoying using it. Also, there is a GPU of Adreno 660. The Samsung Galaxy Z is going to have a foldable dynamic AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, with a full HD resolution of 1080 by 2636 pixels under the hood of the new handset. The protection of the screen is not confirmed yet. The RAM that is coupled with the SoC is 8 GB. This is the high-end RAM capacity that is used in the Galaxy Z Flip 3 by Samsung. Both the chipset and the RAM will enhance the processing speed of the handset a great deal. The internal storage is 256 GB. That is enough to store the data on the Samsung Z Flip 3 for the rest of your life. There is a dual camera setup in the back of this handset. The main sensor will be 12 megapixels wide, 12 megapixels ultrawide. The selfie shooter of Samsung Galaxy's Z Flip 3 is a single camera, and that is 10 megapixels, which will change your lifestyle. The side-mounted fingerprint reader of the handset is there to protect it from any unauthorized person. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 will run this device with Android 11 OS. The battery of the new Z Flip 3 will be somewhere around 4000 mAh. This is enough power for this smartphone, and there is fast battery charging, wireless charging.